Okay, when we are given a product but is actually in the form of a quotient, what we want to do is we want to express it as an actual product. So we want to move this 3x minus 1 up. And when we do that, we know that it's going to now be to the negative 1. Okay, so this is how we can express this quotient as a product, and it makes it easier. A lot of people cheat the quotient rule, which we'll get into in the next section, and just simply do the product rule when they have something so similar. Okay, so again, product rule. Let's do u prime v minus plus u v prime. Okay, derivative of the first is 2, the second as it is, plus the first set as it is, times the derivative of the second. Bring down that negative 1, write the bracket as it is, subtract the 1. Now do the chain rule, so the derivative of the inside is 3. Okay. In other words, this is going to be 2 over 3x minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 3. This is actually going to be minus 3, 2x plus 5 over 3x minus 1 to the negative 2. This negative 1 should actually be in brackets so that we know that it's multiplication. Okay, and that's your derivative. Okay, example 7. The position at function s in centimeters of an object moving in a straight line is given by s equals t, which is going to be our first function, 6 minus 3t to the 4, which is going to be our second function, okay, such that time is greater than 0. U prime v minus uv prime. Determine the object's velocity at t equals 2. Again, velocity is the first derivative. Okay, so instead of writing s prime, we can write ds by dt. Let's take the derivative of the first, which is 1, times the second by itself. And I'm not even going to write the 1. It's a little tedious. Okay? Plus, sorry, this is plus the first thing by itself times the derivative of the second thing. So bring that 4 down. 4, 6 minus 3t. The 4 goes to a 3. Now we're going to multiply it by the derivative of what's inside. Again, we're using the chain rule. We have t, 4, and negative 3. So this is going to be minus negative 12t, 6 minus 3t cubed. Okay, if you want to see this factored out, we can factor out 6 minus 3t. What's smaller, 4 or 3? Well, 3 is smaller. Okay, and then in the brackets, we're going to have 6 minus 3t minus 12, and that's it. Okay, so that's going to be fully simplified. 6 minus 12 is just negative 6. And there's your derivative.